Hello, I'm Micah, and today I will teach you how to turn this piece of paper into this cool sailboat of paper. And let's begin. First, fold it down like this. Next, fold it in half like this. And open it back up and fold it like this, like you're making an airplane, a paper plane. And next, fold one layer at the bottom up like this, then flip it over. And then fold this down like that and do it on the other side like that, so it makes a triangle. And next, fold it like this and this. And next, fold this up. And it's a triangle. Next, open it up like a pocket and fold it like this so it's a diamond. Fold one layer up like this and leave it that way, and flip it over and do the same with the other side. See, it's a triangle again, and then make it a diamond again, and then see these parts, these little parts? Pull these open like this. And there, you've got your sailboat. I'm Micah, and I'll see you next time.